Upon retiring from 43 years of drag racing, Dick Valentine decided to build a streetcar. His choices were a 1957 Corvette or an Avanti. He had seen a brand new Avanti in 1962 and loved it. As luck would have it, he spotted one sitting in a barnyard in Northen Kentucky, and after negotiating for about 3 weeks, he finally struck a deal for the car. Dick then completely disassembled the entire car, started repairing everything and modifying it to meet his desires. Everything was disassembled on the car except for the windshield wiper motor. It took him 4 years to build what you see today. By the way, this was only the 8th Avanti he had seen in his life. He has now seen 12. These pictures were taken during the restoration process. The original Studebaker components were expensive and dated, so a new front suspension was created using power rack and pinion steering. The body was in decent shape, but needed some repair. It had multiple cheap paint jobs applied over the years, so Dick stripped it down to the original fiberglass. The engine is a 350 cubic inch Chevrolet engine, bored 30 over, with Edelbrock Street Flow aluminum heads and 1990 Corvette fuel injection. The interior was pretty much original, but required some dash repair, new wiring, and new carpet. Dick chose a 2011 Ford Ruby Red Metallic for the new color. This labor of love will keep one of 4,800 Studebaker Avanti automobiles made from 1962 to 1987 on the road for many years to come.